So, good afternoon, sir. This is my title project, Water Refilling Expense Tracker System. Introduction, background. Tracks requiring water refilling costs for household or small business, replacing error-prone manual paper tracking. Core concept. Use method separates program logic into neat, reasonable blocks. Arrays temporarily stores text and numeric instruction data in memory. Error handling uses try-catch block to prevent system crashes from bad inputs. Problem statement and objective. Problem statement: people receive get lost, and a manual calculation lead to tracking mistakes. Programmatically, the challenge is building a fully functional CRUD application using only native Java arrays and text files without a real database. Objective: create a simple menu system to add, view, update, delete, and search records. Calculate running totals and expense automatically. Ensure the programs run smoothly without crashing when invalid data is entered. So, let's proceed to the code. So, ato lang siyang iparan. So, this is my output. Add expense record, view all records and summary. Number 3, update expense record. 4, delete expense record and search. 5, search records by name. 6, save and exit. So, enter choice number 1. Enter tag number 1, enter, add name, mag-add tag names, Alexa. So, enter date, July 8, July 8/01, 2026. Enter. Pila ka galon? Enter quantity. Gallons, butter, 20. 20 ka buok na ni siya restaurant. So, muna 20 atong gibutang. Enter price per unit. 35 per gallon. So, magbutang tag 35. Enter expense record added successfully. So, enter choice. Mag-enter na subtag 1. Add expense record. So, mag-another tag enter number 1. Enter. Enter house o magbalik ra ta ito or ibalik no. So lahi nga name Katie. And then another date na po pizza dos. Kay uno man si Alexa, so pagka July sa pizza dos si Katie na sab nagpalit. Pila ka galon? 30. Reseller ni siya mo ng 30. Expense record added successfully. So 35 per gallon gapon na siya. Mag-add another enter choice na punta, enter number 2. So diri na to makita ang total. Kang Alexa sa 20 ka buok ka galon ang total cost is 700. Kang Kitty is sa 30 ka galon sa tag 35 ang tibok niya is 1,050. Total accumulate in water expenditure is 1,750. Mo na siya tanan sa duha ka customer. 1,750. So mag another enter choice na pud ta. Enter choice number 3. Update expense record. So magbutang tag number 3. Mo ni siya ang update. No? Na murag gibalik ra niya. Kaya nag-update siya. So mag-enter tag ID. Ang ID ni Alexa is 0. Ang ID ni Kitty is 1. So enter na to. Yung ID is 1. Munto si Kitty ang ID niya. And then i-utro na to siya sulat ang date ni Katie, which is 02. And then record updated successfully. So mag-ana enter choice na food ta, which is atong enter is number 4, delete expense record. So ang enter choice na to is number 4. Total accumulated inter-expended 1,750 mo na. So total gain na. So mag-enter tag ID mo to is na-enter na to is 0. So kinsa si 0 is si Alexa. Na-delete na nato ang kuan ni Alexa. Record deleted successfully. May expense niya no. So mag-enter your choice na po which is number 5. Search records by name. So which is si Katie atong gisulat. So mao ni siya. Mag-another enter choice na po which is number 6. Save and exit. Enter your choice. Search Katie. Data save. Thank you for using the system. So mao na siya sir. Thank you.